to our activity provide from DGC to little map everyday dynamic school principal Dr. Maria Selvi Eliere Ma'am Barangay Chairman Honorable Ben Alcayo Sir Education Committee Chair Honorable Romela Diso Bocoy Ma'am Supportive SPTM President Ma'am Socorro Marie S. Energa Ma'am Respected guest speaker Ma'am Raketi Sukus Ma'am dedicated teachers, proud parents, friends, and fellow kindergarten completers. Good morning. Today is a very special day because today is a major milestone as we completed our kindergarten journey and we are moving up to grade 1. I am sure you are all excited. We are happy to share this day with all of you as we celebrate our achievements, our growth, our progress throughout the year. On behalf of the kindergarten class for 2024 to 2025, it is my honor to welcome you all to the kindergarten